Have you ever wondered what your car insurance company is actually sticking to your windscreen? Today, we are cracking open a Hastings Direct Drive well tag to see what is inside. Inside, we find a high-capacity battery, a motion sensor, and a Bluetooth transmitter. No active GPS here. Your phone does all that heavy lifting. Flip it over, and there are tons of test points and programming pins. With a little soldering, this can easily be repurposed for a custom DIY project. Don't throw away your old tech. Hit that follow button for more teardowns on the ecom bench.